Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to link Instagram to TikTok. So, to link your Instagram account to TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to profile at the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on edit at the top besides your name. Then from here, scroll down and tap on links under basic info. So, you should see links in there and tap on add link. Then from here, tap on URL to add one. So, to add your URL, so go to your Instagram account, tap your profile, then tap on share profile, then tap on copy link at the bottom. Once copied, go back to TikTok and paste in your URL in here, tap on paste, and tap on save. Then go back to your profile, refresh it, and you should see Instagram link in here. So you should see this link right here. Tap on that and tap on open, and it brings you to your Instagram account. And that's it. So once connected, an Instagram button will appear on your TikTok profile, allowing visitors to open your Instagram directly. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.